shit. Oh. Yo, no. Yo, calm down, my boy.
Yo, leave.
Yo, get out of here, go. We don't want that. We don't. Nah, you gotta cut, y'all.
Bad bitch, so she this far. Drop it down and tell her pick it up. Move on, I'ma lift it up. Stick shit fast, switch it up.
Yo, what's up, y'all? It's another day here. You know, I'm in the G35, the VQ, you know what I'm saying? We out here, we're about to go to a car show and all that, the Broke Boys. We're about to meet up with them. Once we meet up with them, we're heading to the car show. But yeah, I just want to say, like, I haven't uploaded in like a whole week, but that's only because, like, I've been sick, you know? I've been sick, and, you know, that shit been putting a toll on me. Don't worry, it's not no worries, right? It's not that. It's just, I'm just sick. It's just common cold. But like, please, if you're liking this videos, please like, comment, and just subscribe, you know what I'm saying? We got ways to go, we got things to learn. On top of that, we'll be consistent, you know what I'm saying? That's what we'll do. We'll get rid of all our bad habits, you know what I'm saying? We'll work on that, and then we'll make it to the top. This is the best place to be on YouTube. It's the best place to be on Twitch. It's the best place to be wherever you are, you know what I'm saying? Because this is the best place to be, D4D Live, you feel me? But yeah, like, I'm gonna catch you when I'm there. Oh shit. Oh, nah. Oh, these are the Broke Boys, bro. The RSX, you know what I'm saying? New rims too, eh? I see that. Then we got the Honda Genesis with some nice looking tires, eh? I love to see it. Yo, what's up, man?
What happened to that whip?
What's up, man?
Huh? Cameraman. New
What's
camera.
up? Yeah, I'm the cameraman today. Yeah, look at this.
I can get some new rims though.
18 inches, bro. I like that. 19.
Okay.
19 inches. It looks clean. You see this? Broke Boys collection.
It's the Broke Boys collection?
And then we got the Acura TL right here, man. See this? Look at these tips, yo. They're so clean. See that?
What is that?
This is that one right there. That's his. You know, I'm gonna show it off later. Tell me what's going on today, bro.
Car meet. We're about to look
at some nice cars, you know, better cars than ours.
Yeah, facts. When we going right now?
No, I'm gonna go car wash first. Cause you guys
wow.
Hey, trying to.
Which one's your whip?
Huh?
Which one's your whip?
See that clean whip?
Oh,
Clean.
damn.
The cleanest one here, man.
Fastest one.
It's actually tough.
Alright, so car wash, that's where we're going, man. A lot of the collection's actually looking kind of tough, bro. 4 whips, you see this? Hyundai.
Are these cars manual?
Acura.
Why?
Your car's not manual?
We got the Acura, and then come on, bro. The best one here, come on, bro. I know the wrap's looking kind of bad, but come on, man. The cleanest one here. I'm playing. I actually like this one. This actually has to be the cleanest, but you know what I'm saying? This is the nicest, you feel me? This is the nicest one right there. But yeah, like we about to head out and all that. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all there.
Come on. Look at that.
Mine's stock.
This guy. Yo, let's get out of here, man. Alright, we're here at the car wash, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. What up? We're at the car wash, washing the whips, you know what I'm saying? Getting it pretty for the car show, but I'm not washing mine only because, like, first off, I don't even have $2 on me right now because you need to put change and shit, so I'm not gonna do that, but yeah, we here, you know what I'm saying? Look at this.
Look at those wheels. I wonder where you got it from.
Ooh, they look familiar. It looks familiar. You know what I'm saying? It looks like they're on
Somebody on some black car.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just like that, we just finished, you know what I'm saying? The boys. Yo, tell Santi I need gas. Yo, Santi, I don't have Steve's number. Can you tell him I need gas? Huh? I need to fill up on the tank.
You want me to tell him what?
Can you call him and tell him I need gas?
Christian!
Yo, Steve!
Yo!
Hold on.
Yo! Niggas don't know how to act, bro.
Niggas are OD
They get one
fan.
good exhaust pipe, they don't know how to act.
Turn A Boogie off.
Oh.
You guys don't know about that J.I.
Yeah, I remember.
Ooh! How you feeling right now? Yo, we got a whole BMW behind us. You can't even see that. You can barely even see that. It's like right there. You know what I'm saying? We're stacked right now, you feel me? Yeah, this is Steve.
That's these.
You gotta record. Look at the Mercedes, y'all. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Woo! City quick. Yo, pop that. Yo, roll up.
We have arrived, y'all. Here's the spot. You can tell because you can see Beamers. Come on, you can see Beamers, bro. But yeah, the Broke Boys, the collection, we coming in strong. 5 deep. I guess he's part of us now, you know what I'm saying? Ooh! Look at the Subaru. Look at the BRZ. That's so clean. Look at him leave too, bro. Ooh. Don't be scraping that, you know what I'm saying? Don't be scraping that, y'all. Don't be scraping that. This is how you leave and this is how you enter car shows, you feel me? But yeah, we out here, the whole gang.
Damn.
Yeah, it's packed, Yeah, we got beer cars here, look at this. I like that wrap on that. Got the Eclipse.
You gonna hit some?
I'm actually gonna hit someone, yeah, I'm not even paying attention. Bro, Porsche, we got all that going on. I don't even know where the boys went though, that's the thing.
One left.
They went left? Alright. I'm gonna get him.
What is it, curb collection? Is it curb thing?
Yeah, look at these Infinities. Look at these G's, y'all. This why I should be parked up right here, you know what I'm saying?
Oh,
with the boys, you feel me? I mean, it depends on what car pulls up, you know what I'm saying? But
Where's over there?
let's check it out. And just like that,
Don't give me.
we here.
You know the camera.
We here, boy.
I'm behind the camera.
The man behind the camera is doing a good job.
You know.
We got Poor Boy Collection. You mind being on camera? Damn, we got the Beamer. Look at this, Christian. You can't tell me that ain't clean, yeah.
Broke boys, poor boys.
Let me get a nice angle of this. I'm gonna take pictures, right?
fucking nice.
Yo, Steve, what do you think? What do you think about this, man?
This is nice, bro.
Yeah, look at this set. Look at this set right here. You see this? This is how we rolling. Oh shit, it looks clean as hell. Let me show you guys some footage, bro. Look at that.
This is the captain.
Oh yeah?
With his loud ass fucking car. Look at it. Sheesh. Carbon fiber lip. You already know. Spacers. What are the inches on the spacers, yo? What are the inches on the spacers?
18 bro.
18.
Oh no, the spacers?
Yes.
Oh, it's 2.
2 inches spacers. Okay, the nice little side skirt, still white rims. Now, the back. Are you proud of the back of your car?
Know what I'm saying?
Yes, are you proud of it?
The best part.
The best part, look at it. You are, look at the tips, bro. If you go inside, your mama. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. Oh my god. And then we come.
4 inches right here. That's my dick.
What? We go to the most stock car in our crew. You know, it's not gonna be stuck for that long, but it's mine. It's my car. Look at it.
Yo, let me describe
Nice Jenny.
this right here, bye.
Nice Jenny. You know,
Yes,
the
sir,
rims.
yes,
I mean,
sir.
the rims are nice. The wheels. Shout out to the man.
You don't need to shout out to me. They're yours now. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, but it's a 2.0 T. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. The front's kind of. It's all good though. We're getting in there. And ooh, look at these coming in right now.
So we got the Focus RS right here, you know? Let me check this out. Let me see what the boy got. I don't know if it's turboed or not, but it's kind of clean though. It's clean. There it goes, there it goes. And then, what's up, man? That's what I like, that's what I like to see. Bro, we're gonna check out the whole area, we're gonna see how it is. I got this mask on, you know what I'm saying? I'm caring for other people too, you know what I mean? So, we're gonna check around the area, we're gonna see how it is. I seen a C8 down there, so we're gonna check that out. But yeah, look at this set. Look how we rocking out here, boy. Look how we rocking out here. This is how we move, you know what I'm saying? The Broke Boys collection. Hold on. The Broke Boys collection. Look at this. Nice and slow, you know what I'm saying? The BRZ. I don't know, should I make this my next car, y'all? You know. Walking with the whole crew, just checking it out. You know what I'm saying? Look, have y'all ever seen a van on bags? Cause I ain't never seen a van on bags, y'all. Like, come on. That's different, that's different. Look at this. 37. 370. And here we are. BR's, what is it? FRS. G35. Kind of clean too. I like these. The G boys, bro. This is why I belong right here. It's clean as hell too. Oh wait, like what? Like these? Yeah, this one's clean. No cap, yo. Hold up, this G's clean as hell. Look at this. Who owns this, boy? Who owns this, boy? Nah, this is sick. And look at those rims too, man. Nah, I like this. I rock with this. I rock with this. Oh, this is a 37, bro. It's on bags. Look at that. It touches the ground. It touches the ground. And then we got the C8, Corvette C8. I mean, it looks stock, but I think I'd rather this. You know what I'm saying? And then we got some Ghost. Here's what I'm talking about right here. Okay, this shit is clean as hell, bro. Clean ass whip. G gang coming in. He's scraping, bro. He's scraping. Got the guys. More G's. Got some old school going on. Got the G's. Get that. Being lowered. Lamborghini.
Your wheel.
Yeah.
That way.
He's lowering that. It's clean. That's clean. Then we got the other boy with him.
Oh, the scissors.
I don't know. I don't know, but I like the wrap though. Yo, is this yours?
Yeah, this one's mine.
Yo, it's clean as hell,
I don't know
man.
what car that is.
It's manual, right?
It's an Eclipse. Yeah, it's a manual.
Damn, it's clean. Yeah, I like the wrap especially.
Yeah.
It's so clean.
Last night, the wrap on it.
You finished this? Oh. Look at this wrap, y'all. Okay, those Lambos, they're causing too much noise over there. Look at this though, look at that wrap. That is nice as hell, yo. That is clean as hell. Look at this, look at
Oh, look at this green one.
Oh yeah. That military green. Got the Uzi green going on. It's no, this is a Subaru. They're both Subaru. Oh, this is a Honda.
Oh, this Honda is tough.
Yeah, the wide body on this is so clean.
This Honda is yours? Is this your Honda?
Yo, I gotta say one thing. You wrapping the sides or you keeping like that?
I'm keeping the carbon. Gotta keep it exposed.
Damn, let me know some. How fast is this Honda?
What? Still Honda. Still
Honda.
stock. But, yeah,
I'll show no go.
But at the same time,
I'll show no go.
yeah, 100%.
I like the honesty, you know what I'm saying?
Like, you see it?
Yeah.
What do you do?
Bro, this whip is clean though. That's all it needs to be, you know what I'm saying? This whip is clean as hell. I like the wrap though.
Fuel efficient, come on.
Yeah, it looks like paint.
It's big, yeah.
It looks like paint. Like, that's clean. Yeah, I'm planning on rewrapping my car, but like, I gotta wrap it the same color. I love that blue I got going on, you know what I'm saying? This Honda is clean though. This is so clean. And then you got an STI, like, look. Tell me something right now, y'all. How can you even see through this? You can't even see through this. Like, you can't see outside, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, you gonna get pulled over. You can't drive this on the street, bro. You can't drive that shit. I mean, I would rock it still, you know what I'm saying? But like, you can't drive this, bro. This whip is clean as hell though. It's clean, bro. You got a manual Honda?
Of course. What's wrong with that? Come on.
No, I like that.
Okay,
I
good.
like that's
Okay, good.
different. I never see manual Hondas, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
most of the
we're
time,
lazy.
Sitting there.
yeah.
We're lazy.
Especially like when you own Hondas, you think they're like for like, you know, driving you places. Not.
Oh yeah.
Not this. That's this.
I had to be different.
Yeah, I like
Like
that.
the hardest car right here.
This car is hard as hell. Yeah.
Yo, look at this whip right here.
There's one.
This is the man himself. The boss himself, you know what I'm saying? Custom decals. He owns this whip right here, boy. His shop is like right there. Custom decals. Look at this. Yo, where the boys at? Damn, they just cut it.
Damn, this whip is tough.
Oh, where
Trying to
they
get ice
at?
cream.
This one? No, I think this one's more like ice cream. You can't even see through it, bro. The tint is that
Which
dark.
one you see is deadly? Which one's deadlier?
This one has to
I think
be.
this one.
Yeah, this one has to be more deadly. Yo, you guys decide. What one looks better? This one?
This one. I don't like that colorway.
I mean, yeah, the color.
Black? Yo, that's tough.
But, no, this is tough. Yeah. Yeah, he took his time on this one. You see?
There's nothing compared to this car.
That's what I mean, bro. We got work to do, bro. We're gonna make my car something compared to these cars. You know what I'm saying?
Upgrade.
It's time to sell the G. For my next video, selling G35.
Five, eh?
I'm playing, yo. I love that
I like
car.
this colorway.
You know what I'm saying? Look at that.
What were you trying to ask about it?
Don't do stuff though, don't. There's nothing except no, yes.
Even without.
What do you say?
Slow.
Put the camera on him.
Yo, there's nothing special about this car.
I better be seeing memes on this guy, bro.
Oh,
There's nothing special about this car.
you sure about that?
I'm dusting this car with my Honda.
My guy, you're not.
That's this car
Maybe
by
it's stock, yeah?
When you go home-
You'll dust this
when
car
you go home,
stock,
do
right? But
research
bro,
on these cars,
the
bro.
moment you add stuff to this car, bro,
Nothing special.
yeah, there's something special about this, yeah.
Just the looks, bro.
This is a clean Supra too. I don't see them in red often, you know?
He hasn't done anything to it yet.
Damn, actually? Yo, but these wheels though, look at that. If I was to get a Supra, I think I would get it like this.
Red?
The red,
Red or blue, bro?
but like the gold too. I mean,
No, that's
is
just
it?
stock, bro. Look at it. That's just stock.
Yeah, that
Why
is
you
stock.
Sounding like that's stock, bro.
Yeah, it is. You doing that from what? You didn't even
You hear it there, you hear it here.
Hold up, did you just press a button?
Oh no, you remember you can. You can.
Oh shit.
Someone in the car?
Damn, here the cars go. Here, look at the 350, y'all.
No, my buddy had a Cruise that had lights that look similar to his Supra. Yo, it's not a Supra? We're like, no, it's a Prelude Turbo. Run again, rabbit, 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 run again, rabbit,
Oh shit. Oh. Yo, no. Yo, calm down, my boy. Yo, get out of here, go. We don't want that. We don't. Nah, you gotta cut, y'all. Live it up, boy.
When I straight pipe it, like right now it's not straight pipe. I can
Get it.
But you know what? Steve, you're a dickhead. Let me drive around with
No, that actually is different.
Rev it! Rev it! Oh! Rev!
Why does it sound like a PQ?
Rev it up.
Yo, have somebody get that. I hit the fluid, bro.
Thanks, man. Sounds like you gotta rev it.
I don't think he near us, man.
Wheels are nice.
It's got giant beadlocks on it.
Sounds like rev it.
Imagine how much money you have.
Rev it one time.
Yo, fat.
Yeah? No, I don't think so.
Yes, it is. Look at it. Yo, fat, look at the side. Who's that?
Rev it! Rev it! Rev it!
Let's hear that.
It's so scary.
Yo! Rev it!
Rev it.
Yo.
Rev it!
That's light.
More than 3 cars, eh?
Hold up, boy.
Finally more than 3 cars in it.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, we're about to cut right now. My camera's actually about to die. If you like this video, you know what I'm saying, like, subscribe, comment, do all that. I'm doing this, you know, whenever I can. I'm trying to do consistently, at least 2 videos a week or 1 video a week, you know, or just as much as I can get done, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to keep a consistent schedule. That's really what matters. But you know, if you like this video, you know, comment, subscribe, do all that. And look at the broke boys, yeah. We out of here, you know what I'm saying?
We're gonna turn on our lights and for you guys.